Hi friends, I'm Error Slayer and today I'll show you how to delete Google Gemini chat history. If you're ready, as a first step, open your web browser and go to the official Google Gemini website, gemini.google.com. Under the Chats heading, you can see your previous Google Gemini chats. To delete past chats, hover your mouse cursor over the title of any chat and click the three-dot option that appears. Then click Delete. Click the delete button again, but remember, if you created any content, that will also be deleted. So, don't forget to back up any important images or files in your chat history. As you can see, the chat history has been deleted. Let's quickly delete the last chat history by following the same steps. I hope this quick guide video was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.